Hi, let's talk about this glass and metal pivot door. This glass and metal pivot door is about 5 feet wide and 9 feet tall. Being 9 feet tall makes it a little taller than most pivot doors, as most pivot doors are about 8 feet tall. Bigger is always better when it comes to a pivot door, because the bigger the door, the grander the operation. When you open and close it, the pivoting action becomes more dramatic as the size of the door increases. These clients decided to go with a square door length pull. That means that it's obviously square. It runs the length of the door, so it doesn't create additional lines. And it's powder coated along with the entire door the same color. This powder coating was architectural black. It has a slight sheen to it. The glass is a clear low-E glass, which enables you to look in and out at any time of the day or night. What I like most about this pivot door design is that it's timeless. It's a very strong design, meaning that it won't ever go out of style because it's not really following any kind of a trend. You can do anything around it on the home, inside of the home in the foyer, or outside in the landscape, and it'll always look good. It would be very, very difficult, if not impossible, to make this door look bad. So it's a very, very solid design. Thank you very much.